Welcome to ApogeeAgency.com. I'm Greg Hoffman. You came to this website to learn more about the Apogee philosophy on affiliate marketing. For the next 2 minutes, I want you to think like an affiliate. I want you to understand what they need for success and how they can be supported by the right affiliate management team. A good affiliate wants to learn how to make money by promoting a specific product, not just the brand. A good affiliate will create unique content and test ways to convince customers to buy products. A good affiliate asks questions, listens to best practices, and understands the rules of the program. This is what Apogee teaches. We recruit bloggers, micro-influencers, and other affiliates to join the programs we manage, and we work hard to get them active. Our educational video library for affiliates is expanding monthly. We hold video conference calls and welcome our clients to meet face-to-face with the affiliates promoting them. There are no bad questions, and everyone walks away with useful knowledge. We also interview thought leaders and innovative partners to inspire new affiliates to think differently. On a daily basis, the Apogee team works with affiliates personally to nurture the relationships and motivate them to promote our programs. Our trigger campaigns remind affiliates about the benefits of being part of our programs and help spur some creative thinking. The newsletters we send out each month are filled with practical information to get them active immediately. Our private Facebook group for affiliates is packed with engagement and inside information on how to be a better affiliate partner. There are lots of affiliate managers for hire. What makes Apogee different is simple. We work as a team and we understand our strengths and weaknesses. Recruiting is easy, but keeping affiliates active and focused on your programs is our priority. We concentrate heavily on building a strong infrastructure, and we've been recognized for our use of network technology. Contact me right now and let's talk about your affiliate management needs.